Welcome to Everything Currency. This is the show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to give you guys an update on what's going on these Bitcoin charts. It is looking like Bitcoin has put in a nice confirmation above the weekly levels. We're going to take a look at what we need to see next for these altcoins to start pumping off. We can already see that the market is starting to move. Now on this channel and on many other crypto media outlets, people have been talking about, hey, around this point in time, October, November, around the election time, the Bitcoin price and the Bitcoin chart should start going up. And what's interesting is we actually do see that these prices are actually responding pretty well to some of the things going on in the regulatory landscape. So we're going to get into a bunch of that, other things to help you navigate this crypto market, make the most money that you can make right now at this point in time, because it is a crucial point in time in this crypto market. Like, look at the crypto bubbles behind me. Things are getting really bullish right now. So first things first, the daily says Trump-backed DeFi project claims 100,000 signups in one day. This is crazy. Ex-president is actually dropping a token called Liberty. There's going to be an ICO for it, or a pre-sale for it, but it's only going to be for accredited investors. So if you have over 1 million in assets, then you can participate in this. But they already got freaking 100,000 signups, and this is making Camilla Harris come in there and say, hey, you know what, we support crypto too. We want to do all of the stuff that Trump is doing when it comes to crypto, which is good for us in this market right now, because everybody is talking about this thing as a legitimate asset class, and we haven't seen that yet. Like in 2024 in crypto, we haven't seen it being talked about as a legitimate in a while. So how is the price reacting to this type of news? Well, this is the Bitcoin price right here on the daily. So first things first, we actually had a nice pop from 62k, and then we not right now we're sitting at around 65k of recording this video. We're above this blue line, which is a 13 moving average, and we're above this red line right here, which is the point of control at 64k. Well, it's a little bit higher than the point of control. I like to keep it a little bit higher, so I could confirm a breakout when this chart breaks out. So right now we could come down a little bit, and try to hold this level right here around 64k, but overall we're looking pretty nice. When we zoom into the weekly, let me zoom out a little bit. We come right here into the weekly, this actually looks pretty good. Like I said, we're above the 64k level. We're holding above the 13 moving average. That's what I want to see for 3 weeks already. So we were getting rejected by it starting back, starting back here in July. Got rejected, tried to pass it, got the next week, didn't confirm above it. It stayed down here, it got above it, but when it came down to retest it, it got rejected again. So right now we're above it for about a month already. So let's check out this monthly chart. When we go to the monthly chart, we can see we bounced on the 13 moving average twice, and now we're holding this week above the 13 moving average. That is very bullish that we're holding above the 13-month moving average. Like, look at this chart right here. This blue line is the 13 moving average, and you can see, just look at previous bull runs. When we're above that, it is the bull run. Even come down here to 2015 right here, we can see getting above that blue line, we're in an uptrend. So right here, we're above that blue line, bouncing on it again. We should still be in an uptrend, but what's the rest of the market doing? Because we can't just really rely on Bitcoin alone. When we look at the DXY, this is the DXY on the monthly chart. Now this last month, it's been, this month so far, it's been pretty bullish, and we're looking like we're coming up to like maybe 104, and this going up is usually bad for the assets. So we'll see if it getting rejected right here at this 104, 103 level. This is some major resistance right here. This going down, we can see a nice bullish November, which is what I mentioned in the beginning of the video. When we look at the rest of the markets, we look at the SPX, it is in an all-time high. This is what's making me very bullish right here. When we bring this thing to the weekly, we can see that it was fighting with its 13 moving average, similar to Bitcoin. Once it got above it, it started to go on its tear. Although this week it put in a little bit of a gap right here, but that could still change because it's only Monday. But we see right here we got above this 13 moving average, and this thing is actually going super parabolic. When we look at the DJI, it is the same thing. This thing is in an all-time high right here going into elections, and Bitcoin has not gone yet, and I'm just gonna assume, like it's been doing, that Bitcoin is going to follow. So altcoins is where all of the money's at right now. There's a lot of money in meme coins, there's a lot of money in AI coins and RWAs. Like if we take a look at the crypto bubbles again, we can see we got Turbo here, Mu, that's a meme coin, Bonk, Dome, that's a meme coin, but you have some other things that are also moving beside the meme coins. Theta, VT, Enna, you got Starknet over here, Aerodrome, so shout out to the Arrow holders. But all of these tokens are starting to move right now, so we got to look at kind of where is some of this money flowing. We know a lot of it's flowing into the altcoins, but it's good to know where the other money is flowing in this market if you're also not in the meme coin game. So the meme coins are a pretty lucrative market right now, but it's a little bit harder to navigate. So right here I'm on this cryptometer.com, and what I have right here is the cryptocurrency money flow, and basically this is like the euro, the dollar, and this is the money coming into crypto and kind of following a little bit where it ends up. And here is the charts for this crypto money flow. So obviously we got Bitcoin at number 1 with 5 billion, a net inflow of 322 million today. You got ETH, Solana. But when you look at these, what I really want to look at is the net flow, like what's going on, because we got the inflow and then the outflow. So you see it's 5 billion of inflows today, but also 5.1 billion of outflows. So if I go right here and I just rearrange this, I could see the projects who have money flowing away from them today. So you got Wild Dogs, you got Eden Layer right here, ATP. But I'm just gonna flip this around, and I want to just kind of look at some of the tokens right here. And you see Solana has a nice inflow of $60 million, and this is actual cash. This is not in market cap. These are actual dollars that are flowing into the market. So, you know, it's a big difference from the market cap. But we come down a little bit, you got Apex. So Apex is very interesting, might look into that token. We got Dogecoin, WIF, BOEM, SHIB, and Pepe. So you see right here you got 5 in a row, all with positive inflows, and that's where you see all of these are blue chip meme coins. All how many is this? All 5 of these are blue chip meme coins right here. So we can see that a lot of the money is flowing into these blue chip meme coins. After that, you have Sui. Now Sui has actually had some bearish news today about some insider selling and things like that, but that's might just be some FUD depending on who you ask. And Sui is actually up, you know, about 3x since we started talking about it. Actually, it's up a lot more since we started talking about it, but it's 3x since my last mention of Sui in the group and also in the video. So if you're, you know, want to get into my Telegram group, put the link. We talk about meme coins, talk about all those things. We can do it in there. But basically I'll come through here and look at the money flow of this market and see that there are positive inflows coming into this market, more positive inflows than negative inflows. And in fact, I gotta scroll pretty far before I start, you know, maybe like page 3 or 4 before I start getting into some real negative numbers. But paying attention to this every day has proven itself to be pretty valuable thing to do. So check that out. Money is flowing everywhere and, you know, in this market right now. So with the meme coins going crazy right now, I'm going to leave you with 2 because some of you guys like meme coins. It is this one right here, Popo, and it is this one right here, Medusa. Meme coins. Don't know what else to tell you about those. This is my token list that is available to the people in my Telegram group. Right here I have my A coins. These are coins that I am actively DCAing and putting into my portfolio. These are some coins that I'm just kind of holding on the side, actively picking up, and I will fill these out more, but you got to be in my Telegram group to get into that. My Telegram group is free, by the way. And with this I will be, you know, updating this and, you know, keeping you know, keeping everybody up to date with what we're holding as I'm making videos about these coins. So let me know where you guys think we are in this market right now. Do you guys think that the big winner is going to be Bitcoin? You think it's going to be meme coins, AI tokens? What are you guys holding? You guys in altcoins right now? You guys just playing the meme coins right now? Like, what is the average person doing in crypto right now? Because I've been away from the market building, so I gotta know, I gotta get caught back up with you guys. So thank you guys for making it this far in the video. Shout out to the end of the video squad. Go ahead and put in the video squad in the comments below. Y'all think positive and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.